I mean, I'm a Stray Kids fans, and this is basically Stray Kids unofficial merch. So I got Converses. Child, if you don't get away. Okay, Swan got a similar pair of Shein.
You can load up the things. Look.
Them call the one the fake dupe.
Oh, this is not a Converse. Oh, is this a dupe?
They do because they look like Converse. Same call it a dupe. Converse dupe.
Duplicate?
Yep, same call it dupe.
Well, me I'm a dupes.
Me and my dupes in my car. The original and the dupe.
Dupes. So this, one is a dupe. Two is dupes.
You're stupid. But
It's
yeah.
a weapon.
Yeah, it's a weapon. You want to pass that while she's over there?
No.
Ooh, look at these muscles.
Should I get a shot? Gingerbread. Cause
My
every
toe.
minute I told them I touch a shark teeth.
What's your point?
Don't touch him teeth.
Funny story about this jacket.
Shitty foot. Zoom in on that crackhead. Right there. It says, keep rocking on. You know what I'm saying? Keep rocking on, guys. Yeah.
Rock on, bro. I wanted to steal this. I'm convinced I'm going to tell everybody this now.
No.
White turtle. Is it turtle or turtleneck?
Turtleneck.
Turtleneck?
Turtleneck.
Turkey neck.
Turtle.
Why is it not turkey neck?
Turkey. You ever see turkey neck looks up?
You ever see turtleneck looks up?
Do you know why it's called a turtleneck?
Why?
Because this is the end of the shell and then your neck gonna come out, idiot.
Stop damage people the next door and them feel the knives.
Stop rocking. I have this Shein crop top.
Crop top. It ain't in the sun, but yes, you say it a reflect, I guess. Probably.
No.
To Arizona.
Established 1751.
I was gonna say that.
No, you weren't.
Say, and one says North. I'm gonna turn on my head.
I got this shirt. It says, wait, see.
It's okay not to be okay. Just
It's okay not to be okay.
just don't give up.
The front is this.
And survive. This is cream. Cream like
roll. Cream.
cream. You have to roll it, so it's a fancy. Cream. The brown.
Propaganda. Spreading propaganda.
Dreams crushed.
Be the energy you want to attract.
Yeah. Be that
Don't
energy.
attract this.
Even if you attract. Wait, voila. Open up the gates.
What did he say?
Wait, yeah, tell me, so the back pockets is not really back pockets?
I'm good.
I've been duped. No, the front pocket, I have front pockets. The side pocket, I have side
She
pockets.
got duped.
So why the back pocket not a pocket?
You have junk in my trunk.
Alright, so you got baboons in your boobs. It's bigger than my shoulders, really.
This is my astronaut necklace.
Our astronaut necklace.
My astronaut necklace.
Petition for it to be theft tonight. We're gonna try on all of these. Yes, we, as in French, or we.
No, I'm always funny. Top girl, you popped off.
Shut up. Is you an edit or me?
Shaday.